Hello guys, Steve here, RC. I have a little track set up here in the backyard. The last time you saw this, I broke the servo and I put some Metal Gear cheap servo in here from Amazon. It's an MG something, I forget. So we're gonna put this body on, turn this sucker on real quick, and then we're gonna give it a go. See how she holds up. Trying to do this here with one hand. There it is. Alright, should be ready to go. Alright, let's hit it. And I should go from the top of my deck to show you the track here. Oh! Let me go around here. Through there. Ah, yeah. You know we like hitting the jumps. Oh, jumps like a real monster. See this way. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh. I think it broke already, guys. No, this is the... I don't know what the heck's wrong. I'm not having good luck with this truck. Definitely not. See, it's going crooked now. I have to order me the stock servo and try that out. It just ain't working for me. Let's go up here on the top of my deck here. You can see my little track I set up. I'll waste because my steering already broke. Can't even get to use this thing. Oh, it's bouncy. Oh! Could be just my fancy driving. Oh! The steering's out of whack. I don't know, guys. Yep, that'll whack it. I don't know. I don't see the gears turning in it. Let's see. Looks like the servo horn's not working. I don't know. Gonna have to order the real servo and stuff. Oh well, what are you gonna do? See, when you crash like that, steering goes out of whack. Now it's steering all the way one way. Now I don't have enough steering. I don't know what's wrong with it. Guess I'm gonna have to get myself the stock servo. Oh, it's wandering all over now. It jumps nice. But I've been having problems with my servos getting trashed. No steering. Oh, no steering. Only to the right. Nope. Oh yeah. Would be nice if the steering worked. has been nothing but bad luck for me. Oh, that was nice. I don't think this jump should be too much for this little guy. It's not that big of a jump. You think this is too big for this thing? What the heck they make it for if the servo breaks on it? Oh, I lost steering again. It's going to the right only. No steering to the right, only to the left. Poop. Big pooper with this truck, guys. Laid a golden turd for me. I don't know why. Maybe I got a bad one? Who the heck knows? Help, no steering at all. Only have steering. Oh, now it's steering. Oh. No steering. Oh. See how it gets? Just, I don't know what's wrong with it. Feel like a drunk driver. Yeah. It's a fun truck, but I need it to last. I need steering. Anyhow. Whoa. That's it for this thing. Kind of sick of it. I don't know why it breaks so much on me. I have to see if I could get the stock set up again and give that a whirl. If it breaks again, the servo with the stock set up, I'm getting rid of it. Nothing but problems with the steering on this thing for me. Alright guys, I tried to make a video of this little beauty running and jumping and doing a track, but lo and behold, the servo failed again, and this is a different kind. So anyhow, thanks for watching. I appreciate you all, guys. Stay tuned for more videos. If you're new watching, subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss future videos, and I'll see you next time. ShinRC out. No steering. No steering. Later, guys.